Hey guys, so I wanted to create this short video to help explain how you can submit all your tax information directly to your tax preparer from within the Connect mobile app. So what you want to go ahead and do is first you can go ahead and see the options and say for call. This will go ahead and call the office directly. If you want to go ahead and share, you can also share this as well with other friends and family so that they can go ahead and access this particular page and then submit the information right through there. So we'll go ahead and click get started. 2018 will go ahead and coincide with filing for last year, and 2019 is for this year. So we'll go ahead and choose 2019. And now you'll see a couple scenarios, right? So you can choose married, single, children had dependents, had a job. All of these scenarios are here for you to choose depending on your tax situation. And depending on what you choose, Connect will go ahead and send you questions for you to answer so that you can submit those directly to the tax preparer. So we'll go ahead and click next, and we can go ahead and answer these questions pretty quickly. It's very, very self-explanatory. We'll go ahead and choose Jesse. Test. Okay, great. Go ahead and choose your address, the C17 Main Street. Now, once you put in a zip code, it'll go ahead and give you the state and the city. Choose a date for that. Choose cell phone. Great. Your ID. As you can see, we can go ahead and fill this information very quickly. It's very basic information, nothing very complicated. No, resident state, let's say Georgia. Filing status, single. Okay, great. Then it starts to ask me questions about my dependents. You have children? Yes. Click next. Answer questions about your dependent. Okay, fantastic. Date of birth. Okay, awesome. We'll go through this information pretty quickly. Once again, citizenship of Harry. He's a U.S. citizen. Relationship, he's my son. Click next. How many months did he live with you? Let's say 12. Next, was he a full-time student? Yes. Now, as you answering all these questions, the tax preparer will go ahead and see these once you submit them. Did he? No. Do you have any other dependents? No. Great. Now we'll go to the next section. Here's the W-2. What you can simply go ahead and do is attach the W-2. It'll open up the camera. You'll enable it. Click OK. Click enable. Okay. And then that'll give you access to that, so you can go ahead and submit it that way. You can also go ahead and input this information from within the W-2 that you currently have. You can just add these values in right there, and then Connect will go ahead and register those and then send them once that's completed. So we can go ahead and scroll down. Do you have any other W-2s? No. If I did, it'll just circle back around and ask the questions over again. So we'll click no, click next. Now here's the option that allows you to pay with your refund by using a bank product, or you can go ahead and simply pay in office. In this case, I'll go ahead and choose pay with refund. And now it has the disbursement method for yourself, whether it's going to be directly into your bank account or you'd like to receive a paper check. If you choose bank account, it'll give you two options, one for routing number and account number that you go ahead and input, or you can go ahead and simply choose paper check. I'll go ahead and choose check. Now here's where you'll be able to securely create an account so that all the information that gets submitted is obviously securely sent, and there's no issues in regards to your privacy. So we'll go ahead and create this real quick. Say test t at refundo.com, and we'll go ahead and create a password for this. Okay, great. As you can see, we can go ahead and submit this information really quickly directly to our tax professionals so that they can go ahead and start with your return. I believe I created that properly. If not, well, it's going to go ahead and tell me that it is different. Okay, information is going through. Just go ahead and wait for that to process. Great. So now we have options to go ahead and send the selfie if you want to your tax preparer, IDs front and back. You can also include your social security number along with your dependent, Harry's social security number. And here you have an option to go ahead and simply attach any of the documents that you want. This can be a W-2, this can be a 1099, this can be a 1099-G, whatever documents you want to go ahead and supplement, and make sure that your tax preparer knows that they're important and that they should take them into account. Simply go ahead and attach them there, and you'll be able to send them directly to the tax professional. So now once you're done with that, you click done. Your information is secure, ready to submit. Click submit. Congratulations, everything's done. You click done. You enable the push notifications, and this is important so that you can have constant open communication with your tax preparer along this entire process. Click enable, click OK, and now this information is starting to process so that it can go ahead and send everything over to the tax professional. And now once everything is completely set, then you'll receive an automatic message saying, thank you for submitting your return. We will review everything and reach back out. Now, at this point, you're completely good. You've sent all the information to the tax professional, all of your information, all of your documents, and now what he or she's going to do is review. Everything looks good, and you'll be able to communicate with him via this chat. So you can go ahead and say thank you. Thank you so much. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can simply ask them through here. If for whatever reason your W-2 was a bit blurry, or if you forgot to send in an additional document, on the left-hand side you see the camera. You can go ahead and click on that, take photo of that particular document, and submit them through here, and you'll be able to submit them through the chat in a very secure portal. So if you guys have any questions in regards to how this works and how this may help you in any way, please let us know. Just want to make sure that you can see a live way of being able to submit your information very quickly, between 5 to 10 minutes, and then have your tax professional start to create the return and then e-file on his end. If you have any questions, let us know, but this is exactly how you would do it on your end.